Alright guys, I'm here in Santan Valley. I had this shipped here. It's a new track bar for the Jeep. Started getting a wobble last week. I don't know if you guys have ever been in one of these when it's wobbling at 50 miles an hour, but it's absolutely terrifying. So got the track bar ordered, showed up today, and we're going to get that knocked out. Hopefully they sent us the right part. So let's see what's going on. Ooh, a box with another box. Looking for the part number DS1235. That is the correct one. So, awesome. All right, so out of the box, got your track bar, grease cert, and guess that's all we need. So let's get going. All right, so we're gonna get under here and see. I think it's only 2 bolts. There's a Torx bolt, and then I think either a 15 or a 19 millimeter bolt on the other side. So on the newer TJs, this is actually a bolt and not a Torx bolt. But you're gonna take this one off and this one off up here. It's a castle bolt up on top, right in here. This castle nut has a cotter pin through it, so we're going to pull that out and then take that nut off, drop this, take the other side off, and then we'll get the other one put together and we'll get it on there. Really hope they put a new one of these in the packaging. I should have checked for that, so I would have grabbed one from the auto store. These are always fun to take out. Yeah, that's how you do it right there. I always find the best way to get out a cotter pin is to just break it. Put a new one in. That's how you do it. Looking through the bag, we did get a new cotter pin, so I'm not even worried that we broke it. You should break it anyway, just put a new one. And we got a new castle nut, and then the greaser. So I'm gonna let the PB blaster I put on both those nuts just set for a second. I'm gonna get everything else I need ready, and then we're gonna knock the rest of this out. Got the castle bolt broken loose. Really hoping that PB blaster sets in on that Torx nut. I mean, those things are just, I don't want to strip it and have to cut it off. But let's see if we can. You can see this bushing's all messed up. Or this flange, whatever you want to call it. Alright. So I couldn't break the Torx bolt, and I'm worried about stripping it. So we did what we said we were going to do earlier, and David is here.
Yeah, I'm here. We're going to maybe get it done.
So now David's down there doing what David does, saving the day.
Trying to.
He's the official Jeepers Creepers fix-it guy. When I can't figure it out, we call David.
Might have to put heat on it though. The problem is with this being Torx, you don't want to strip it.
That's what my biggest worry is.
That's what my worry is.
Because when you heat it, it'll swell up, and then that Torx might not fit in it.
That too.
But let's, I guess that's the next shot since that PB's not working. And we can hit it with that impact, try to break it loose.
Let me try that.
As long as yours is stronger than the other one I was using.
It's probably not. I doubt it. I got it. Got it.
Look at that.
Oh.
2 seconds of David being here.
Oh,
and we're good
yes.
to go. We're good to go. All right, let's get these off. So once we get it dropped down, now we're gonna try and free that bushing from the other side. We didn't get any shift out of the axle, so good. It should be really easy to just bolt it back on. We should be done in 20 minutes.
Be on it.
All right, so we got it off, me and David. A lot of David, a little bit of me, but look at how messed up that bolt is. That's just from the shaking, from the wobble, and just torque that bar over. I got my little helper, Jameson, over here. What's up, Jameson? All right, let's put the new one on. So you can see the difference just in the bolt, how straight this is. This should fix all of my vibration and wobble problems. Once we get it on, we'll do a drive with it. We'll see how it goes. All right, let's get this on. Thanks, buddy. All right, so this side here, this is your nut. You got a little flange. It's pretty easy to find. There's a little hole to stick it on. Line it up. Make sure this is on the right side. And Jameson, go get that socket. Other side of the Jeep. Thanks, buddy. It's always good to have help. Just gonna get it to bite, and then we're gonna move over to the next one. But I don't want everything tight yet, just in case I have to move things around. Did you just step on me, Abby? What are you doing? Man, I gotta do a lot of stuff down here. When I get the new steering in, most of this will be done. All the shock stuff will be done. Just waiting on capital. With COVID-19 going on, that's been extremely difficult.
What else do you want me to have?
I think I'm supposed to pull it up, but I guess we'll just do it like this. Yep.
Don't follow this video.
Thanks, Jameson. Jameson says, guys.
And share with your friends.
Thanks, Jameson. You guys quoting bird law over there? Did you hear that? It's bird law.
Well, he's coming.
Oh, I'm a lawyer. Give me that pipe that's right there, J-Mo. On that best. On the
Don't worry about that.
He's 7, it's fine, guys. He knows. Or no, he's only 4. 5. He's 5. Sorry, you're 5. He's 6. Got it. I got it. We're good. I got it. It's in the wrong spot, but I got it. It's gonna be a pain in the ass for the next person who has to do that. That is not where that should sit. It's tight. Got the cotter pin on the castle bolt, or castle nut. Gonna put some grease in, and then we'll take her for a spin. Should do it, and then I'm gonna go through on every other cert I find and do 3 pumps on each one. On the road, and so far I was having a vibration at about 35 miles an hour. That's gone. I'm trying to get up to 50, which is where we were getting the wobble. So we're coming up right here in wobble zone. If I had not, oh yeah, we're getting it. Okay, that did not fix our problem. So back to the drawing board. Got the track bar on. Some of the vibrations I was getting at lower speeds have been eliminated. The steering feels stronger, more firm I should say, but I'm still getting a wobble. I can actually, so before, as soon as I got to 50 miles an hour, if I held it for even a second, that thing would start shaking. Now I sat at 50 miles an hour. You guys saw. I sat there for a little bit of time before the wobble even started. I was able to brake down to 35 to stop it. I think the best bet is to just replace the whole steering linkage. I was talking to Let's Roll, and they're going to do a 1-ton steering linkage on here. I just need to buckle up and get that done to be safe. Till then, we'll do some light stuff. I can still drive around, not do anything too crazy, but that's it for today. Gonna do the ball joints probably next week. Get talking to Tyler over at Let's Roll and see if I can get an appointment set in for doing that steering linkage. Till our next video, guys, have a great night and thanks for watching.